Hi children. So children, today we are going to solve question number 9 of exercise 8.4. That is last exercise of similar triangles. Let's see the question children. Two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter stand on a plain ground. If the distance between the feet of the pole is 12 meter, find the distance between their tops. Very simple question. Again, first let's start with drawing figure. Two poles. Let one pole is here of different heights. That is 6 meter and 11 meter. Okay, children. Let this is the small pole AB. This is the bigger pole, longer pole CD. One height is 6 meter, other is a 11 meter. Two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter stand on a plain ground. They are standing on a plain ground means they will stand with a 90-degree angle, children. Okay, children. If the distance between the feet of the pole, distance between the pole is 12 meters. 12 meters. Find the distance between their tops. Up to here I can join here. This will be also how much? 12. If this is 12. It is vertically, it is perpendicular both, making angle 90 degree. So this and this will be parallel, and this length and this length will be same. Let's join their tops. So you have to find out this top length. Okay, children. So see here, I am naming it here E. Total is here to here is 11 meter, children. Here to here 11 meter, and here it is a 6 meter. So how much this will be? See children, the total height of this pole is 11 meter, and here this height is 6 meter. Straight to this, this will be also 6 meter. So here how much, children? 11 minus 6 is equal to 5 meter. Is it not? So here two poles are there, one 6 meter, one 11 meter. This up to here, this straight length is 6 meter. So here to here is a 5 meter, children. So what? AB, length of shorter pole, length of short pole, short pole AB is equal to 6 meter. Length, or I can take height also. I can take height also, problem, children, no problem. Height. Height of. Length, or if you are standing vertically, this one we can call it height. Next to height of longer pole. Longer pole, let BC is equal to 11 meter. Okay, children. Now distance between their foot. Distance between their foot, that is BD, is equal to how much given? 12 meter given, children. So what you have to find out? Distance between their top. Distance between top of poles. Top of poles, that is AC is equal to, you have to find out. Is it not to be very, very simple? See children, here is a right angle triangle. CEA is a right angle triangle. Base is 12 meter. Perpendicular is 5 meter. Simply we can find out by Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle CEA, angle E is equal to 90 degree. Okay, children. How can you say? From figure. Therefore, what can you say, children? This one, AC square is equal to AE square plus EC square. How can you say? By Pythagoras theorem, children. AC square how much? 5 meter whole square. AE 12 meter whole square plus EC square you have to find out, children. Very simple, children. 5 meter whole square, 25 square meter is equal to and 12 meter whole square. 12 is a 144 square meter plus C square. Take C square one side and numbers other side. 144 square meter. This goes that side minus 25 square meter. C square is equal to 14 minus 5, 9. 3 minus 2, 1. 44 minus 25. This is equal to this plus something wrong children. AC square. Oh, sorry. I have put here the wrong children. Sorry for that. I have put the value wrong. AC square I have tried as it is children. And here AE square. A is 12. 12 meter whole square plus C is 5 meter whole square. Okay children. So AC square is equal to 144 square meter plus 25 square meter. So AC square is equal to 169. If you add, you will get 169 square meter. Apply root on both the sides. Why children? Because here AC square, we need the value of AC. So AC square is equal to root under 169 square meter. Square root cancel, this cancel. AC is equal to 169 is the square of 13. So therefore, distance between top of poles is equal to 13 meter. Is it not so simple? Children, as I have told previously, the questions based on Pythagoras theorem other than somewhat proofs, that is problem based, are very simple. Nothing is there. Yes, 1-2 questions where you have to prove, there you have to use your IQ, otherwise rest of the questions are just like lollipop. Okay children, hope you enjoyed this class.